Are you worried about outliving your retirement savings or facing financial uncertainty in your golden years? Protecting your wealth after retirement is crucial to maintaining your independence and enjoying the fruits of your labor. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies and expert advice on how to safeguard your retirement nest egg. Whether you're starting your career or nearing retirement age, this training will offer valuable advice that can impact your financial future. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. Hello and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. Today, I'm going to break down the real facts about how to protect your retirement nest egg and make your money last longer in retirement. When it comes to retirement, many of us imagine a life of freedom and relaxation, pursuing our passions and enjoying every moment. However, the reality is that a significant number of retirees struggle to make ends meet, living on a tight budget that restricts their ability to truly enjoy their golden years. We've all worked hard for decades, saving and sacrificing to reach this milestone, and it's essential that we take control of our finances to secure a comfortable and stress-free life during retirement. Effective wealth management is crucial to achieving this goal, and it's not as complicated as you might think. The truth is, with a solid understanding of how to manage your wealth, you can maintain your independence, pursue your interests, and live life on your own terms, even on a limited income. The first step is to assess your current assets, including your retirement accounts, savings, investments, and other sources of income. This will give you a clear picture of where you are today and help you identify areas for improvement. Next, you'll need to set clear and achievable financial goals, whether that's maintaining your current lifestyle, pursuing new hobbies, or supporting loved ones. Having a clear sense of direction will help you create a tailored financial plan that meets your unique needs. With your goals in mind, you can begin strategizing your investments, identifying the right mix of low risk and higher risk investments to achieve your objectives. This may involve working with a financial professional, conducting your own research, or using online resources to make informed decisions. As you build your financial plan, it's essential to consider tax implications, healthcare costs, and other expenses that may impact your wealth. By factoring these expenses into your plan, you can create a sustainable strategy that will last throughout your retirement. Now, with your plan in place, the next step is to take action. Implement your plan, making adjustments as needed to stay on track. This may involve regular portfolio rebalancing, tax planning, and monitoring your expenses to ensure you're staying within budget. As you execute your plan, it's essential to stay flexible and adapt to changes in the market, tax laws, or your personal circumstances. By staying proactive and informed, you'll be able to make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Even with the best laid plans, unexpected expenses or market volatility can arise, threatening to derail your retirement. So, it's essential to have a plan B in place for three major potential risks to a healthy and prosperous retirement. At the top of the list, long-term care planning. It's essential to plan for potential long-term care expenses as part of your retirement strategy. With people living longer than ever, many retirees today can expect to live into their 90s, and healthcare costs often increase with age. In fact, data from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services shows that nearly 70% of individuals turning 65 will need some form of long-term care during their lifetime. If you don't have long-term care insurance or a life insurance policy with long-term care benefits, it's wise to set aside a portion of your savings to prepare for these costs. One approach is to create a dedicated investment account specifically for future care expenses. Next on the list, preparation for substantial home repairs, auto repairs, or other unforeseen expenses that may arise at the onset of your retirement or sometime later during your retirement years. In order to mitigate the pitfall for these expenses, ensure to have an emergency fund in place to cushion the blow against these costs. Finally, the most common pitfall faced by most retirees: market volatility. To navigate the challenges of market volatility, which can quickly erode the value of your investments, go beyond fundamental diversified portfolio strategies and consult a financial professional that can provide solutions to reduce or minimize your exposure to market risk, and always make adjustments as needed. Securing your wealth after retirement requires a proactive approach, combining the right tools, resources, and strategies to achieve financial freedom. It means implementing strategies that anticipate and prepare for financial challenges so you can navigate them with confidence and stay on track with your retirement goals. Remember, retirement is a journey, not a destination, and it's essential to stay informed, adapt to changes, and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. If you'd like to learn more about the strategies we've outlined and would like to create a tailored financial plan that meets your unique need, click the link below to schedule a free consultation. Thank you for watching.